Hello and welcome to all of you once again in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. Okay, here once again debate class is going to start between boys and girls. Merits of new population policy, and boys are going to support the merits of new population policy. Okay, so this is the burning issue now of nowadays that has. So before starting that class, let's have an introduction of these students. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Samir Ali. I am 13 years old. I belong to Pandalpur. I study in 7th standard in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support merit of new population policy.
My name is Ansuman Saran Mori. I belong to Kaidi. I study in 6th standard in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support merit of new population policy.
My name is Ragni More. I belong to Nijampur. I study in 8th standard in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support merit of new population policy.
My name is Anjali Maurya. I belong to Mapimgam. I study in 7th class in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support merit of new population policy.
I am Khushi Gupta. I belong to Rampur. I am studying in 7th class in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support merit of new population policy.
Myself, Nabya Patak. I am 12 years old. I belong to Gudapur. I study in 7th standard in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support merit of new population of policy.
I am Ankit Mishra. I belong to Naktichak. I study in class 7th in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support demerit of population policy.
My name is Ankit Bali. I belong to Gauramur. I am studying 7th standard in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur.
My name is Som Gupta. I belong to Jagujot Bahraich. I study in 7th class in Bluebells Evergreen Academy. I am going to support merit of new population of policy.
Myself, Viraj. I belong to Karadia. I am studying in 5th class in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support demerits of new population policy.
My name is Amir Ali. I am 13 years old. I belong to Panditpura. I study in 7th standard in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support the merit of new population policy.
Myself, Godmore. I belong to Kaidi. I studying 7th standard in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support the merits of new population policy.
My name is Bablu Sahu. I am 13 years old. I belong to Sarva. I study in 7th standard in Bluebells Evergreen Academy, Tajpur, Bahraich. I am going to support the merit of new population policy.
So as you know very well that UP government is going to implement new population policy. Okay, so we are going to discussion about this new population policy. Okay, so who will tell me the merits of new population policy? Okay, very nice.
UP government is going to implement new population of policy in UP.
I think it is not good for our country. I protest this policy. I think elections are close. That's why it is being done. It is only a guzzle of BJP government.
I full support to this new population policy as it is a step taken by UP government.
I don't think it is very nice step, but it result very dangerous in upcoming days.
Unemployment, poverty, illiteration, etc. increasing day by day because of overpopulation.
China is at the first position in population, so why they are developing day by day. Poverty is increasing because of the poor system of our government is responsible for this. I think this population policy should have implemented after getting free from British rule.
Well said. I totally agree with you. If this policy would have implemented at that time, so the people who are making policy, they won't have a life at this time.
By controlling overpopulation in UP, we can save electric, light, water and so many other things.
You mean to say that Chinese were dying with thirst? They do not have electricity. Why are you not telling the loopholes of present government?
Some people are protesting this policy because BJP is going to implement this policy. So I think we should not see it as BJP concern.
Yes, of course, I protect this policy because this is the only struggles upcoming elections.
Is the population increasing day by day? People are cutting trees and forest. That's why pollution is also increasing.
I think saving trees and there should be a strict law. You can't save it by making a new population policy.
The person who have more than 2 children, they have to face many problems. They are not able to give good education and nutrient food.
How can you say that if they have 2 child can get nutrient food when you are not able to give them employment at present time? How many person are getting job?
New population policies say that if you have more than 2 child, you will not able to take government advantage.
What type of advantage has been given by present government? We pay taxes from our earning. We get 5 kg of grains. That's not enough for us.
You will come to know the value of this policy in future time.
Good education can be given only by good government system. If we are not getting good education, so government is responsible for this.
After implementing this policy, the new generation will feel better.
I think policy will create so many problems in coming days.
I think the whole country will be beneficial with its great population policy.
Yes, it is only beneficial for the BJP party. It is not beneficial for others.
I think it is not beneficial for one party, it is beneficial for every party.
Yes, I am also saying you will come now that how much problem will create this new policy in future.
The person who have more than 2 child, they will not able to get government job as well as they will not able to take part in civic election.
Why it is going to implement only in civic election? It should be implement for every type election.
So it's enough about today's debate class, as they are making some grammatical mistake, but it doesn't matter. As I have told you that they are novice in speaking English, but they are working hard. Okay, so I wish them all the best for the future classes. Okay, thank you.